Clayton, and I'm gonna show you how to build this, but first I need to take it apart real quick in like separate pieces. So this is where you build first.
What is it?
This is where the money's gonna go, and this is where if the ring falls or something.
What's the thing you're building?
Then what is they called?
Vending.
A vending machine. So you put this piece on, which is a 6. Then you put it on the side. You need 2 of them. I made a mistake. I made a little mistake. You're supposed to put this and then this. These are the lights if it names. You're supposed to use your imagination for the lights. You're supposed to use your imagination mostly for the green light. So, and then you're supposed to put this 3 fat piece, bottom and top. So I put it right here. This piece, like a carrot stick, and a 4. And it can be rainbow or any color you like. I did rainbow because I have to. And then you put these on, I believe. Yeah, you put these on. And then, where is the piece? Where'd it go? Oh, this piece, this is gonna be the cup and this. So I'm gonna put this here very, very carefully. You don't want the ring to spill. And then we put these 3 right here. And then put them on the back. Wait. Okay. Wait. I made another mistake. This is supposed to be 1 notch closer. Here we go. And then put the cup around there. And then we put this right here. And then you put the roof on. Make sure you leave like a little space like this so your or like this so you can pop it open. And here is the rings you can shoot at. So now I'll explain how to work it. First I need to take it off of the stand grass. He has his dollar right here. So first you take the fuse of the ring, then you take the roof off, then you hire this up. I'm kind of thirsty. I'm gonna get a ring. And I only have $1 left. Yeah. So you're supposed to look in here and make sure it goes white. I was not my devil guy. Stay. So I put it in this little slot. Very, very carefully. This guy needs to use an arm to push the rest of it. Okay, it's perfect in place. See this level? I'm gonna do this. So I push it, hold down on this part. Then I very carefully push it. And then here's your zinc. Here it is. You can take it out and drink it. Thanks for the ring. See you next time. I'm not done with the video, okay? Ooh. Ouch, that hurt. Oh, that hurt too. That hurt my back. Ooh. Oh, I'm bending down. Okay? So how you put it back is you put it here. You have to at least leave like one brick of space so and you can, some people can put their finger here, hold this down, and then hold the back, and then just push it back through. First I'm gonna try, and then there, and then I'm gonna put this back on, and put this right here. Whoa, the ring. And this is how I made the ring thing. The ring pit. I used one of these, and I got 2 flat pieces with like a little stud right here. I got 2 of those, and got like a light, and then I put it on. And then you got your blender. Bye. Have a great day.